G'day guys, Mark here. This presentation is going to show you how to install a Konica Minolta print driver on a Mac operating system. Step 1. Identify your Mac's OS version. Click the little Apple icon in the top left corner and select About this Mac. This will display the current Mac OS version. Step 2. Browse to the official Konica Minolta website from your region. Select Support and Downloads. Download a driver. Search for your product in the search option. Select the correct option and then hit Go. Select your operating system. If your operating system is not there, select the highest level available. Now select Download. Accept the licensing agreement and click on the DMG link. At this point, it is now safe to close your web browser. Okay, now go to your Downloads folder, select the file that we just downloaded and wait for that to extract. Once that's extracted, double click on it and select your paper size, either A4 or letter depending on what region you're in. Click on the PKG file and this will now add the print drivers to your print driver folder. Follow the on-screen instructions. You can now close this window and then go into the IT6 drive and you can eject that because this is now no longer required. Now select System Preferences, Printers and Scanners, and add a printer, little plus icon. Add an IP printer, put in the IP address of your printer. The IP address can be found in Device Information from the Utilities tab on the main menu of a Konica Minolta device. In the Use option, select Software, scroll down to the print driver model. You can rename the machine to something that makes more sense to your organisation. And then select Add. Now add the options that are fitted to your device. This information can be found with the documentation sent out with your printer. To reconfigure or make corrections to your device, you can click on the little padlock option, enter the password and reconfigure it as required. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment if you wish.